everyone, it's me, Maanliit. I just want to wish a happy birthday to Ate Tinlove who celebrated her birthday today. Ate, masasabi ko lang po na enjoy your day. Have a blessed birthday, more birthday to come, and more blessings to come. Keep safe po always. Greetings po pala from Team Ritz 5 International. God bless po always, Ate.
Give me the love shout out. Siya nga pala, by the way, happy birthday kay Admin Team. Thank you for the love and the support. Wish you all the best and all the happiness, and then thank you sa lahat ng support sa bumubuo ng Ritz Gold International. Sa Ritz International, thank you sa pagpapasok niyo sa akin. Kaya para sa iyo, Admin 10, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Enjoy your day and God bless, and always stay beautiful and cool. Again, happy birthday. It's me, Tutor Arlene from Kahelper family. Thank you for the love and the support. Mwah.
Gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday yung isa sa admin ng Ritz Gold Digger, si Teen Love Taclobos. Happy birthday, sis! Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay stay healthy, stay happy, enjoy mo lang yung journey mo bilang isang YouTuber, small YouTuber, diba? Enjoy your birthday, sis! Happy birthday! God bless! Bye-bye!
Hello everyone. Big love shout out Team Ritz International. And let's sing the happy birthday to si Sten Love Taclobos, ang ating admin. Napakabait, napakaganda. Ayan. Okay. Sana magustuhan mo to. Si Sten. Sana ang awiting ito ay pakinggan sa puso nagmula at sa'yo'y inilaan, pangbigyang daan ang iyong kaarawan. Nasa araw na ito ipinagdiriwang. Happy birthday, Sisi Ten. Happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday to you. Nawa'y pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Tangan mo na ang lahat ng katangian, talino't kagandahan at kabaitan. Kami bumabati bukol sa kalooban, di ka malilimot magpakailan pa man. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday to you. Nawa'y pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday to you. Nawa'y pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal.
Happy, happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy, happy birthday to you. Nawa'y pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Ayan, thank you. Happy birthday once again, Sis Tin Love Taclubos. Bye, guys.
Hi, Miss Tin! Chris GF here, and I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Also, good health, more birthdays to come, and success. And also, thank you for accommodating me and accepting me in your group, in your teams. And yun lang po, maraming salamat and God bless. Happy birthday!
Hello, Langgatin! Maligayang bati sa'yo! Babati din tayong alaga ko sa'yo. Langgatin, happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo, sana maging successful ang yung YouTube career. Maging successful lang yung love life, for more money to come sa ating YouTube channel. At gusto ko rin kunin ang chance na ito magpasalamat sa iyo sa laging sa pagtsatsaga na mag-message sa akin. Minsan hindi ka nakakaset ng time ko. Pati kay Mingkay, thank you lagi sa pag-aasikaso kay Mingkay. Maraming salamat. Sana patuloy kang maging humble, maging mabait. Dahil yun naman talaga yung nakikita namin sa'yo. Tsaka napaka-organize mo. Thank you lagi sa pag-organize sa amin sa Rich Team. Maraming salamat. So, yun lang. Message ko sa'yo. Thank you so much. At God bless. Bye, Lolo Sisky Channel.
Hello, Sis Tin! I would like to greet you a happy birthday and more blessings to come. Thank you, sis, for being a friend to me at nakilala rin kita sa White World. Thank you, and I thank God for giving you another year of your life. And sis, I love you with the love of the Lord. Come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday po. Tingnan tayo. Ayo.
Happiest birthday kapatid Tin. Sana enjoyin mo lang ang iyong birthday at sana matupad lahat ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Once again, happy birthday. Stay safe and God bless.
Hello, 16. Happy birthday to you. I wish and I pray that the Lord grant all your desires. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday again sa napakabait namin admin sa Ritz. Ayan. Happy birthday, 16. I love you. God bless.
Hi, Tin! Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best. May the Lord God grant all your prayers. Enjoy your day. God bless. Bye-bye.
Ayan, mega love shoutout naman kay Tin Love Taclubos. Happy birthday sa'yo, sis. And thank you for the friendship and kung ano mga pagsubok ang mga dumating sa'yo, alam ko kaya mo lang yan. And nandito lang kami para sumuporto sa'yo. And wish ko lang sa'yo more success. Sana lagi kang healthy and God bless you more and yun lang sa'yo sana. Yun lang, happy birthday and enjoy your day. Bye-bye!
Hi, Tin! Happy birthday! Wishing you happiness always! Good luck sa ating pagwawaiti! Bye!
Hello, 16 Love. Happy birthday. Ayan.
wish ko sa'yo is more success in life and more blessing this coming year. And maging successful ka sa YC World. And enjoy your day. Again, happy birthday!
Ayan, ikalap shoutout po sa lahat. Ayan, guys, gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday yung isang kasamahan namin sa Ritz International Admin. Ayan, Langga, Teen Love Taklobos, happy birthday, Langga. More birthdays to come and good health. Ayan, thank you so much kasi napaka-sipag po talaga. Maraming salamat kasi nabilang ka sa mga admins ng Ritz na talaga namang we are very appreciative, especially kami ni Founder si PNP sa pagiging masipag mo at talagang hindi mo pinababayaan yung GC ng Ritz Gold Diggers kasama si Langga Mards Ang. Maraming salamat Langga sa pagiging active na admin ng Ritz International. Thank you so much Langga. Good health at always pray to God na bigyan pa tayo ng mahabang buhay dito sa earth. Ayan. So, isa lang naman yung